Hello, this is Marshall Diaz, W0OTM, with the iHAB project, the Iowa High Altitude Ballooning Project. And we're about a week away from the iHAB-3 launch. It'll launch on Saturday, March 5th, weather depending. And so I just had some final touches to do on the payload, and I thought that I would make a small video here showing the new antenna array that I put together for the two VHF radios that'll be flying in the iHAB-3 launch. We're going to use the same foam box that we've always used in the previous launches. These are fantastic housings, great insulation characteristics, and really durable. So going to use the same foam container and the same nylon harness that we've used in previous launches. It's good to recycle a good design. And so since we've got two VHF radios, one for the APRS and one for the VHF simplex repeater, we needed to come up with a better way of getting the antennas to work, a little more sensitivity and some better performance. So what I've got here are two arms that stick out horizontally. There's two antennas here, one on the right, one on the left. You can see these coax leads. I'll feed these into the box. I'll make two holes up here in the side and feed these in. But for right now, they've got SMA connectors on them. The two radios have SMA connectors. So the coax runs to a small PCB right behind this nylon here. And what I've done is created two in-fed ZEP antennas. So there's I use 24 gauge speaker wire, and so on this PCB we break out the speaker wire connects to the coax, and these arms are made of corrugated plastic. It's the same material we've used in the past for our electronics platters. And so it kind of has these corrugated channels. And so I've run the speaker wire through the center of one of those channels, and it comes out the very end and then just kind of hangs down 38 inches. So 38 inches is the radiating length, and then inside of here there's the two speaker wire conductors which act, and they're a quarter wavelength long. And then the same thing on the other side. Again, we've got a quarter wavelength arm here, and then we've got a half wavelength hanging down, which will give us two VHF vertically polarized antennas, and should be just fine. We'll connect one to the APRS, and then the other one will be on the VHF simplex frequency. So there you have it, the payload and the new antennas for the iHAB-3 launch.